If you have been following us for some time, you would know that recently we were in Gujarat exploring the beautiful state. And now we are off to Dubai. Welcome back to a brand new vlog of Bonkers. Now this is Utsav with my wife Urvi, and today we are going to start a new journey. We are going to visit Dubai. Let's get started. Let's get bonkers. If you like contents like this, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Bonkers.
In this vlog, we'll give you a complete rundown of the process of how you can reach Dubai. We'll give you the visa process, the flight details, and everything till we reach Dubai, right?
Yes, we started our journey from Pune. From there, we landed in Bangalore, and from Bangalore, we have the flight to Dubai. We are
Yeah.
hoping this is going to be a great journey for us. What do you say?
Yes, and we have a flight to catch in another 1 hour. And our immigration is already done. The security check is done. And in the immigration process, they didn't ask about anything. They just asked for the visa and the passport with the boarding pass. That's it. It was a pretty simple process. So we are done with that. We'll go to the lounge, eat something, then we'll check back with you.
Yes.
We are at the lounge right now. It is pretty neat and clean with lots of sitting arrangements and many charging points. There is a huge breakfast spread. We'll have some very early breakfast. It's only 5:30 a.m. in the morning. The spread is also very nice. There are some sausages, some vadas, cupcakes and croissants, along with some green veggies, salads, idlis with some tea or coffee.
The process of entering Dubai for people of different nationality is different. For us Indians, we have to apply an online tourist visa. The minimum processing time for that is 2 working days. You have to pay around 3,500 rupees for the visa entry. We planned our visa from Make My Trip. The process was very seamless, and we really appreciate that we got our visa really quick in time. Now we are all ready set to go and visit Dubai.
We have boarded the flight and it just took off. We are comfortably seated in our seats. By the way, we are traveling Y6E95 from Bangalore to Dubai and the flying time is 4 hours. This is our first time traveling to Dubai and we are very excited. Really looking forward for the next couple of days and having a pleasant time in Dubai.
Yes, we are really excited to see some of the iconic landmarks in Dubai, enjoy the culture and the food that is on offer. But first, we have to get there. This next 4.5 hours will be full of anticipation and excitement as we are here in the flight. Nothing much to do now.
We just devoted the flight and now we are on our way for the monorail ride to get our luggage and the immigration.
Now we have arrived at the Dubai airport. This was probably the easiest immigration that we ever went through. They asked no questions, they took the passport, stamped it, and now we are in Dubai. Also, they have given us some tourist SIM. We will go ahead and activate that, but before that, we need to mention that the Dubai duty free area is quite huge with lots of shopping options. There are a few rental car shops, also shops from where you can book taxi. But we want to catch the Dubai metro to go to our stay.
Got our SIM cards activated. It was a very easy process. This is the SIM that we have got, and there is even a SIM opener along with it, along with the instruction leaflet of how you can activate the SIM. We'll go ahead and insert the SIM in our phones. It also has 1 GB of data free, and for activating the SIM we just had to send an SMS with our year of birth and it got activated. We have 1 GB of data for the next 24 hours. That's great. And also, if you want to buy another SIM, there are so many shops where you can get SIM cards in Dubai, and there are many currency exchanges as well. We did ours in India, but you can definitely come here and do that.
We found a direct metro link from the airport to the financial center to go to our stay. We found this would be one of the cheapest option to get there.
If you are visiting Dubai, one of the best and cheapest way to travel is by the metro system. And for that, you can get a card. This is known as the NOL card, which you will have to buy for 25 dirham, and it will give you a balance of 19 dirham, and you can use it in the metros, buses, as well as the trams. So that is quite convenient, and you can get it recharged at any station. One more thing is that it will cost a minimum of 3 dirham for one ride and a maximum of 7.5 dirham.
So we have just arrived at the financial center. From here, our stay is really close by. We are thinking of taking a walk from here. Let's see, and we'll end this vlog here. We'll again see you in Dubai in another vlog. Till then, stay safe, and if you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note.